Hi kids, I'm Silly Billy the Octopus. Let's dive into an underwater adventure and learn something fun together. Today, we're going to swim with sea creatures and count from 1 to 10. Let's meet our sea friends and count together. Here comes one jellyfish, floating and glowing. Look, the starfish are resting on the sand. Wow, 3 dolphins are jumping out of the water. There go for turtles, swimming nice and slow. Watch 5 crabs walking sideways on the beach. Can you see 6 shiny seashells lying in the sand? 7 seahorses are gently swaying in the water. 8 squids are waving all their arms. 9 colorful fish are swimming fast. Pop, pop, 10 bubbles are floating up to the top. Amazing, so many underwater friends. Can you count them too? Now let's count using our fingers and pop some bubbles. Get ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome! You can move your arms like fish or dance like dolphins. Let's play a fun guessing game. Can you count how many sea animals are on the screen? How many turtles are there? That's right, for turtles. Now, let's count the seahorses together. Yes, 7 seahorses. You're doing an awesome job. How many crabs are there? You're right, to crabs. You did a super job counting under the sea. Let's count all our ocean friends one last time. 1 jellyfish, 2 starfish, 3 dolphins, 4 turtles, 5 crabs, 6 shells, 7 seahorses, 8 squids, 9 fish, and 10 bubbles. Thanks for swimming and counting with me. See you next time for more fun under the sea. Bye bye.